Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have another unboxing and review. As you see, I do not have a backrest. And I don't normally use a backrest, but I have had one on my 18 Road Glide that I had. Put 20,000 miles on it with that backrest, and it was very helpful. And these backrests are adjustable, and we're gonna open the boxes, take a look at what we got, and then we'll do the install. So here we go. And I know a lot of you are actually probably up at Sturgis right now and possibly searching and looking around at the vendors for backrests. And I did do a previous video on the front LED turn signal lights, and I will try and pin that somewhere in this video. You can go back and look at that. I'm very happy with them. Actually very happy with them. Let's start with this one here. Set that there. Adjustable rider backrest. Okay. And I don't know. Yeah. Contents of the package. Step 1, flat surface, off, turn the ignition off, assemble the bracket, so forth and so on. I don't know if it's this one I want to go with or if it's another one I want to go with. Shows the bracket is adjustable. But here is this, oh wow, it's even in a bag you can actually possibly reuse. So here is this one. But I think I'm going to start with this other one. Styrofoam packaging. And then here's the bracket and the adjustable bracket for the backrest. So let's open this other one and then we'll decide which one I'm going to put on. Put the instructions back in there like that, like so. And we'll actually trade places. There we go. You can actually go to their Amazon store and search for Benlari on Amazon. Well, they actually sent me the two of the same thing. That'll work. I don't know. We will set that one down there, and I will contact them and ask them what they would like me to do with the extra one, and possibly send it back to them. So you have the backrest and the brackets. I think I'm gonna need that now. So let's get my seat off, and after we unpackage this, there's that, and the screws. You can probably hear the fan in the background, but we'll take my seat off here. Which I do not have one of those thumb screw deals. It's still a Phillips head. this out, everyone. Assuming I think that's where it goes. Let's look at the instructions for a second here. Yes, correct. All right. Shows, put it right there, like so. And then this other bracket goes here, like so. And then this bracket goes here to here. So I guess the adjustment part is this part right here. So let's get this thing assembled. We'll go from there. All right, the next thing you want to do is take these nuts off here. Take your receiver for the backrest, and I think I'm going to mount it on the second hole right there. Then the next thing we want to do is assemble this with my nuts and bolts in the appropriate location. Now all these wires that you're seeing here, these are for my underglow lights. All this stuff right here, we're gonna try and get the nuts and bolts in there without having to disassemble any of that, which I think we'll be able to do. I can't reach my fat fingers in there. You can either get a pair. Okay, I got that moved out of the way. Yes, I took my bags off, but I'm gonna put a little bit dab of Loctite on here. Not much, just a little dab. Because, again, there's no lock washer, which I don't know if I have anymore or not. Okay. Too much. In my opinion. All right, we got those set in there, and we'll get them tightened down. All right, now we can line that hole up, which is not lining up. So we have a solution for that. Probably should loosen that other bracket up. But there, I just took a little punch and I moved it. Should. There. All right, everybody, it is ready to assemble again. I got to make sure these are tight. Everything is tight, ready to go. So this bracket should actually, or this seat back should actually come down in here, like so. And sit back on it like that. Okay, I have it assembled here. I'm going to put the seat back on, and then I'm going to put the backrest on. I'm just going to make sure it's where I want it, and we'll go from there. This is the hard part. Getting this little screw down in there to hold the seat on. I've dropped it 3 times now, not on camera. There we go. All right, we got it. Now, here's my backrest. If I open this up, I can actually see the bracket right down in there. So, we will get this thing, see how this squeezes together. Come on. It's easier said than done, isn't it? I actually need another hand. Oh, is that it? Nope. That wasn't it. Been there, done that. Got it. There it is. Now, it's got a little bit of a give to it, but we're going to sit on it. Now, one thing I like about this is when your rider is getting on and off, you can fold it down and they can step over. So, this. Yeah. Not too bad. I think it's about where I want it. Well, let's get this thing buttoned up, and I will take you inside the studio here, and I'll show you what backrest this actually is and where to find it. And I'll post a link down in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you in a minute. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, everyone. And as you saw, the install was pretty simple. For me, it wasn't too bad. I will leave a link to their store down in the description, but I'll take you there right now and we will take a look at their store again in Benlari, your riding companion and partner. So, and here's the seat backs. And we will take a look here at the one they sent me. There it is. And it was fairly simple. I really enjoyed installing it. And it actually folds forward to make it easier for your rider passenger to get on and off the motorcycle behind you. And it supports up to 300 pounds. And it's long-lasting foam material on the inside, and it is adjustable up or down also. It has 3 different slots to adjust it up or down. So, take a look at them. Reasonably priced, very reasonably priced in my opinion. So, and they also have other products as well. A friend of mine actually ordered their axle nut covers for the front wheel and showed me the box, and I said, yeah, that's Benlari. So, yeah. We will be taking probably about a 3-hour trip on the motorcycle this afternoon to go eat dinner with family. So, Miss Linda actually came out and I showed her how it flips forward and everything, and she was just thrilled. So, yeah. I will leave a link to the store down in the description. I will also leave a link to the previous video I did installing and reviewing the LED turn signal plug and play bulbs. So, y'all have a good day. If you're up in Sturgis, be careful because I saw a live feed earlier when I was doing the install where it had been raining. So please be careful and say hi to a stranger, thank a veteran, wave at a police officer, and we'll see you on the next one, okay? Thanks for watching. Say bye.